Hello and welcome to Super Profit Club. This is a video brought to you by Super Profit Club in which trading opportunity for Monday 13th of February is going to be shared. My name is Sumit Gupta and I am founder of Super Profit Club. Before I share the opportunity, please note that either me, Sumit Gupta, Super Profit Club or my company Devantes Ecom Private Limited do not take any kind of responsibility or make any kind of assurances, guarantees or any kind of claims that the trade that is being shared here will be profitable, will go to what we are predicting. It is expected that it should pan out that way. The objective of sharing this video is purely educational, and in case your analysis or your understanding confirms you or convinces you that you should go for this trade, then only please take this trade. That is solely your responsibility and at your discretion. Okay, let's just get into the trading opportunity that is coming up here. So here on your screen you see a chart that is of Tata Chemicals ordinary share, right? So this is an opportunity that is coming in. I use my own 1, 2, 3 trading system to analyze this, and here this is, as I said, is for educational purposes, so you can learn how you can identify swings that are coming up and how you can create a trading plan based on that. Okay, let's just jump into it. Okay, so first of all, what I do is I look at a swing which is the last swing happening, and that is the basis of swing trading. So as I see, this was the low, last low that the this Tata Chemicals share had made, right? And then it went up for 1, 2, 3, 4 days. 4 days it straight went up. So, and then it started going down. So this is one down day and then another down day. So this is the second down day that has happened. Now basis this and basis my analysis, I am expecting it to start going up again on Monday, but that's only an expectation and that's only an estimation, right? So let's get into how do we look at it. So in my 1, 2, 3 trading system, what I do is, first of all, I mark the low of the swing, the previous swing that has happened as 1, right? And then I mark the top of the swing as 0.2, okay, which is 0.2. And when I fill in the trading plan along with you, I will take you through how these points are used and how I trade them. And here is the 0.3. Now, this 0.3 is there and this will get confirmed only tomorrow once we see a high day that forms. And now how do we see high day? The high day will come in only once the high of 10th of February, which was previous trading day, gets taken out, right? So this high was 1026.20 and we will enter the trade only once it trades at least at 1026.25, because then only it will be set to have traded higher than the previous trading day. Okay, so this is my 1, 2, 3 trading plan that I have put in, right? I'll just create a trading plan based on this. Now further analysis, there are 3 things that I look at, right? What I look at is I look at whether this 0.3 is coming less than the middle. So if we see, the middle line will be somewhere here, right? So I see that this is above this line. So that's one first confirmation for me. Between this 0.1 and 0.2 middle, I see if it is above that level, right? So that's a confirmation for me. Yes, this is a trade that probably can be taken. So that's the first point that I look at, right? The second thing that I look at is the volumes. How are the volumes going in? So are the volumes high when the share was moving up, and are the volumes going down when the share is going down, right? If the volumes, if these 2 things are confirmed, which means the volume should be higher when the share is going in our direction and volume should be low when it is going opposite our direction that we want to trade, right? So if we look at high volumes on the day when it went up, again volumes are high volumes, and then this day the volumes were low. However, if you see, these were still higher than the 2 days that the share has gone down, right? These were still higher, right? So all these days. So that's the second confirmation, which also I've got. So that's a tick again. And the third thing that I want to see is the RSI, which is relative strength index. It should be between 30 to 70 based on my system, right? and that is also confirmed. So it is neither overbought nor oversold. So these three parameters that I apply, this stock passes those tests, right? So that means it could be a good trade to take. Okay, again, this is our system basis which we expect it to trade higher and create a trading plan, right? Okay, now let's fill up a trading plan for this. Okay, now on my screen you see a trading plan which I have already pre-filled. I did not want to get into those details, so that is pre-filled for you. So the way I have taken these numbers, I have taken directly from the chart which I was showing you, and I'll keep shuffling between the chart and the Excel file. So if you see, this is my point 1, wherein the low is 912. So 912 is what I put in as point 1. I also put in the date of 2nd February there. Then there is point 2, which I see on my screen, which is the highest of the swing, which is 1041.25. That is also placed in, and similarly the point 3, which is the low of 10th of February, has also been put in here as 1004. Okay, the Excel sheet which is my trading plan, which I use for my purpose, it has calculated how many days the swing has ended in terms of calendar days. Okay, this is not in terms of trading days, and it also calculates how much it has gone, and then basis my trading plan, the parameters that I apply, it gives me the various points, right? It gives me those points, various numbers. So it calculates the numbers. So basis my system, it gives me the entry price. The entry price is basically 1026.25. Okay, now let me put you one very important information here, that unless it trades above the high of 10th of February, you should not get into the trade. Okay, because it can go further down. You do not know, right? So once it has traded above that, so the close on this day is 1020.30. Do not enter immediately. Do not think that you have to enter below 1026.25. Please do not. Okay, so this is the entry, and maximum you should enter by 1036.30. Okay, because it calculates the exact number, but the tick size is 0.05. So 1026.25 to 1036.35 is your entry price. Okay, and then you should exit. You can exit at two places. There are two targets that you can take. One target is you can exit at a price of 1100 rupees, right? You can ignore 0.94 there. So you can exit at 1100, which will give you a profit of about 74 rupees. And you, if you want to further go along in the trade, you can also exit at 1133.25, which is actually the target. Okay, now if for some reason once you have entered the trade, right, once the trade is triggered, once it trades between 1026.25 to 1036, if you can get that entry, and stock reverses and it starts coming down, then you have to also have a stop loss so that you limit your risk, right? So your stop loss will be 103.95. So if it trades below 103.95, exit, right? Because you should not be losing more money. So just sell it, right? So basically what happens here is that you have a risk of about, so if you get in by 1026, your risk here is about 23 rupees in this stock, which is your stop loss. And the profit that you can make is about 107 rupees, right? So your reward to risk ratio at the lowest entry, if you can get an entry by 1026.25, will be about 4.8. But if you get an entry even by 1027, it will be 4.7 or something like that, right? You can do your own calculations. So this is the trading plan in your screen, and you can look at it as many times as you want to, right? Okay, interesting. Okay. So I wish you all the best. Hope you're able to get an idea how you select or how you trade a stock. And in case you need to you want to learn more about swing trading, and if you want to learn how you can do these analysis yourself, you can join me for one of my webinars. The link for the description and link is given in the description to this video. If you want to join one of my programs, again the links are given, and you can go to my website sumitkgupta.com or to one of the links given, and you can subscribe directly for my programs, right? So I wish you all the best, And once again, a disclaimer is that this is for the educational purposes. This is for teaching you how a stock can be selected, how it can be traded, how trading plan can be created. I do not assure, guarantee, or take responsibility of the way this stock or trade may go up, right? Because it is purely for educational purposes and teaching you how you can take these trades. But I do expect it to go there, and if everything triggers, I might also be trading this. So that's something which you should note and accordingly take your own decisions, right? Have a nice day.